FJM Security Combination Padlocks means never throwing away your padlocks again. The new FJM Security Combination Padlock with key override and patented code discovery solves one of the most common nagging problems: how to manage access to a combination padlock if keys are lost or a combination is forgotten. No more cutting off your padlocks and throwing them away. With our product, you can not only override the combination to open the shackle, but with the manager key, discover the code and reset it to a new combination. No other product offers this feature. It's easy to use and great for temporary and/or permanent lockers at gyms, country clubs, schools, hospitals, etc. To set the combination, simply open the shackle, turn counterclockwise 90 degrees, press the shackle down into its groove, rotate another 90 degrees, and set your dials to your desired combination. Then return the shackle to its original position and you're ready to use your product. If a combination is forgotten or lost, simply use the manager override key to discover the combination and reset the lock to a new code. Simply insert the master key, turn to open the shackle, and then turn each dial in either direction until it stops at the current designated code. From here, you can now reset the combination code and use your product. With our combination padlock with key override and patented code discovery, you no longer have to worry about discarding padlocks when combinations are lost or forgotten.